Hey everyone, Sean here. Welcome to the second video of CB Masters Academy workshop. In this video, I'm going to talk about value and the sales process and basically what's going on inside someone's head when they're trying to purchase a product, okay? Because that's something really important that you need to understand in order to actually make this sell, okay? So in last video, I talked about Clickbank. I gave you the top 3 niches that you can find good quality, high profitable products on Clickbank, and also I gave you a list of products that I promote on Clickbank, so you should have a good idea of what to pick. We're going to talk about Clickbank and actually how to find high quality products manually on Clickbank inside CB Masters Academy. So but by now you should have a good idea of what you want to promote. Okay, so in this video, as I said, we're going to talk about value and sales process. These are 2 important things that you need to understand in order to make a sale on Clickbank, and this is something that 99% of people fail to understand. I mean, I'm pretty sure this is something you've seen before. You see someone leaving a weird comment on YouTube or Facebook or anywhere promoting a link, like they're gonna be like, hey guys, check out this awesome product, it helped me lose 20 pounds in 2 days or something like that, and then there's an affiliate link or stuff like that. I can't believe people still do that, but yeah, so that's like a terrible way to send traffic to your link, right? Because first of all, you're not providing any value, you're spamming, so already people hate you, right? And then you're not actually telling why someone should buy the product from you, okay? Because when someone is checking out something, there's a lot of questions going through their mind. Okay, there's a lot of questions. I mean, think about yourself. Imagine you want to buy something online. What do you think about? It's not just like you decide to buy a product. You're gonna be like, all right, yeah, I'm gonna buy this, done. It doesn't happen like that. You think about a lot of stuff. You think about like, why should I buy this? Is there social proof? Is this product actually helping other people? What's the price of it? Why should I buy from this website? Why shouldn't I buy from the other website? Or stuff like that. So it's absolutely important to understand the sales process. And when it comes to selling Clickbank product and sales process of selling Clickbank products, the easiest way to sell something on Clickbank is sending people through a funnel. Okay, now we're going to talk about a lot of different funnels inside the CB Masters Academy. We have the buyer's funnel, we have the opt-in funnel. Another funnel that I'm going to actually talk about in this video is the 7 touches funnel. Okay, now this is really, really important. This is something I kind of saw a little bit, and then I found out this is a really good idea. So I started using it myself about like 3 years ago, and it came out to be one of the best funnels ever. Okay, and we're actually right now like an hour ago we just finished the whole video course for that, which is going to go inside CB Masters Academy. So let me tell you what is that. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you have downloaded something online, like an ebook, like training, or whatever you're trying to learn. Let's say you want to learn about how to lose weight, or you want to learn how to make money online, whatever. I'm pretty sure before you land on CB Masters Academy, you've downloaded something online, and maybe you downloaded an ebook, and next day the marketer who you downloaded the ebook from, they send you an email that says, hey, hey, what's up? Thanks for downloading my ebook, blah blah blah, maybe check out this product, this is really cool, they helped me to make money online, or even they promote something inside the ebook. That's just average marketing. It works, yeah, it does a little bit, and we're gonna do that inside CB Masters Academy. But what I'm gonna talk about here is a really cool funnel that triggers the basic instincts of humanity. And this instinct that it's extremely powerful, something that makes people to like kind of beg for the product you have to sell. It's absolutely insane. Okay, so let me tell you the story behind this. So a couple of years ago, as I said, like I think three and a half years ago, that was, yeah, I think so. I came across this opt-in page. I opted in to download an ebook. If this ebook was about email marketing, right? And this person, I kind of knew this person. This was some person that another marketer that I really respect actually referred me to. And this guy knew a lot about internet marketing, but more importantly email marketing, and like the email copy and everything was really awesome in his emails. Okay, so I opted in and I downloaded this ebook. It was a really nice ebook, you know. It wasn't like full of value. I mean, I knew like half of it, just a couple of new information, new stuff in there, which was nice. And then I, because I was trying to buy, or I was kind of curious, so I was trying to see what kind of offers he has, what is he trying to sell, and I was looking for this, for links or anything in there to find out what's the price, what's the product he's trying to sell. I couldn't find anything, nothing. Like, it was just absolutely crazy for me. I couldn't find anything. So I was like, all right, maybe he's gonna send me something tomorrow to sell me something, right? Another email from him tomorrow, nothing, just an email. I was like, okay, maybe this guy's really smart, he's trying to sell me, something tomorrow. Next day, another email, nothing, no link. Another email, no link, he's not selling anything. Another email, and 7 days, he didn't sell me anything, not a single link in his emails. On 8th day, I was like, okay, these were good emails. I was really enjoying them, good value. I was learning some stuff, You don't have to impress people with content. Even if you teach them something really small, they're gonna be yours forever, okay? So it's not really hard, even if you're new, it's not really hard to impress people with knowledge. So on eighth day, I was really waiting for him to send me a link to purchase his product, and he didn't send me anything. And 9th day, I was like, okay, this is really weird. I'm not getting any emails from this person. And on 10th day, I was kind of starting to forget about him, and I got the email to his product, selling the product, the link to this product. And I went out and bought it. And I actually realized this about a week later, that I was like, damn, this guy just sent me, he just sold me without actually selling me. So what he did was he sent me emails without selling anything for 7 days, made me wait 2 days after that, nothing, and then on 10th day, he sold me the product just like that. How crazy is that? That's just really cool. And I was like, all right, I gotta do this. I have to do this. This is really important, right? So I have to do this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually write emails, I went out, I wrote a bunch of emails, and it might I'm not really good at copywriting, okay? So it was terrible, okay? So I had to find a way to actually find good content so I could put in those emails. And after a while, I was lucky to find a whole other level of internet marketing, which we're going to talk about. I'm going to take you to my computer in a minute to talk about it. And I put this, 10-day email together. 7 emails, 2 days no emails, and then on 10th day, the sales email. And I sent the traffic from YouTube, and I believe the next traffic was solo ad traffic, because solo ad traffic is really cold traffic. It's a type of traffic that really it's not good. It's not the best traffic for a follow-up series. Okay, and the conversion of this was absolutely crazy. 35% of people who joined the list ended up buying the product, and I'm still selling that product. How crazy is that? So the moral of this whole funnel was that you provide value, people are gonna buy from you, but you shouldn't do it immediately. You should not just try to sell at the beginning. And that's something we're gonna talk about in the CB Masters Academy, how to create these awesome 7-touch funnels that are going to absolutely blow your subscribers' mind away. Okay, so by like day 10th, they're gonna be like, okay, I need to buy something right now. Where's this link? Where's the link that I can just purchase something from this person? How amazing is that? Okay, so when it comes to creating a funnel like this, the biggest challenge for you is going to be the content of it. It's hard, you know. I still don't do that myself. I still don't do it myself. It's absolutely hard. I mean, you cannot write the best high converting email yourself. Not gonna happen. I don't do it. Okay. What I do, like, I do it in a different way. I actually have these ebook funnels. Like, as people sign up to download an ebook, and then in 7 days I send them an ebook every day. No selling content. I'm not selling anything. I'm just gonna be on second day, for example, hey, here's an ebook about this. You don't have to sign up. Just download it. They click, download, done. Third day, same thing. Hey, here's the new ebook about this. It's really cool. You should download it. It's awesome. Fourth, 5, 6 day, something. It's just like that. And I haven't write 7 emails and 7 ebooks. It's really hard to write these really long ebooks. Okay, so as a beginner, the biggest challenge for you to create something, a funnel like this, is to have these contents or ebooks. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna take you to my computer to show you a website where you can actually buy these ebooks for a cheap price. Like, the whole funnel is gonna cost you like maybe $20, $30, but this $20 funnel is gonna make you like $100 or over $100 a day if you drive good traffic to it, which we're gonna talk about traffic in future. All right, so let's go to my computer and let me show you how you can get these ebooks so you can put them in your awesome 7-touch funnel to make a lot of sales. All right, so the website I'm going to talk about is called masterresellrights.com. There's a lot of websites like this, and I'm going to actually have a list. There's going to be a PDF file where you can download under this video, and it's a blueprint of 7-touch funnel plus a list of websites like this where you can buy these PDF files really cheap and use them in your funnel. So this is where you can buy PLR content or private label rights. Okay, so basically this is a website where you can buy these ebooks and use them however you want. Okay, so for example, you can sell them if you want, or you can give them away as a bonus for free. Okay, so they have marketing niche. That's like the top niche on Clickbank, right? If you remember, I talked about the affiliate marketing and, you know, e-business niche. Those are the top niche on Clickbank, and there's a bunch of ebooks that you can just buy and use in your 7-touch funnel. And also in personal category, they have the second and third top niche on Clickbank, which is, you know, the personal help and the personal self-help niche, and also the weight loss niche, or, you know, the healthy lifestyle, that kind of stuff niche. So again, brain health, relationships, and running manual, and all of that stuff, you know. So this is a place where you can buy these ebooks and use them in your funnel. Now, guys, make sure to download the PDF file and the blueprint file where you're gonna see the 7-touch funnel blueprint plus a list of websites and a lot of other tips for you to use it in your 7-touch funnel. So right now you have a good idea of the funnel. I mean, you still don't know about the backend, like how to actually set this up. This is something you're gonna do in CB Masters Academy, but this should give you a good idea of actually the 7-touch funnel, and this should make you think different about, you know, selling something on Clickbank, to, you know, a kind of different way of selling things, selling Clickbank products. Now, let's go back to the whiteboard because I'm gonna talk about the 7-touch funnel more, and I'm gonna actually draw it for you. All right, so let's go back. Alright, so to close this video, let me review this whole funnel with you real quick so you get a visual of what's going on. So opt-in starts from here. This is where you get their email. Email 1, no links, just your ebook, you know, providing value. Email 2, same thing. Email 3, email 4, email 5, email 6, again, providing value. And then email 7, same thing. And then on day 8th, you're not going to send any emails, nothing, 0. Day 9, same thing, you're not going to send any emails. And day 10th, this is where you make your sell. All right, so guys, make sure to download the PDF file. That's going to be the blueprint plus a lot of websites where you can get these ebooks. So it's going to give you a good idea of how you can set this up. We're going to talk about it in detail in future. So make sure to download the PDF file, the blueprint file. That's going to give you a lot of good information. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to check out the next video, because the next video we're going to talk about traffic. All right, so let me know if you have any questions. Make sure to leave a comment under this video, download your blueprint file, and I'll see you in the next video.